Yes, 70 and 90 means we need to find P 70 less than X less than 90. Did everyone understand it? Since percentage is asked, whatever answer is obtained will be multiplied with 100. Find the minimum score of most intelligent 50 children. Raise your hand. Minimum score of most intelligent 50 children. Correct. Be random, not greater than 50. First of all, minimum underline. Minimum score we have to find. Means mark it as x1. And 50 children. If you remember, I told you, you'll be given with probability or percentage or number in reverse questions. If percentage is given, how do you convert in probability? Divide by 100. If number is given, how do you convert in probability? Divide by capital. 50 children means probability is 50 upon 500, 0.1. 50 children means probability is 50 divided by 500. Capital line, can you see 500 in the beginning? Yes. So how will you convert this number into a probability? 50 upon 500, 0.1. And minimum score of most intelligent 50 children means we'll say P of X more than X1 is 0.1. Now this is a reverse question. We have to go reverse and find the value of X1. That is the minimum score of most intelligent 50 children. Did everyone understand this question? So last one is the reverse question and first two are direct. So let us solve it. Now, capital N equals to 500, mu is equal to 68 and sigma is equal to 22. Now first sub question you are asked, P of X more than 68. Now this is a direct question. So Saloni, at x1 equals to 68, z1 equals to x1 minus mu upon sigma. 68 minus 68 upon 22, that is 0. Did everyone understand this? Any confusions up till here? Then Asta, Px greater than 68 without solving 0.5. Greater than 0 means the right side of the diagram. In the table, don't see the value 0, it's not there only. 0 means we already know that 0 minus infinity, infinity. Greater than 0 means this area complete is needed. And this complete area we already know is 0. Raise your hand who did not understand this. Everyone is clear with this? Why 0.5 is directly taken? Okay, if you want you can write one more step. Z greater than 0 means P0 less than Z less than infinity. But 0 to infinity entire area is how much? 0.5. And even if you directly write it, it's fine. Did you understand why we did not see the table here? But what is asked? Percentage, probability, number. What is asked? Number. So this should be multiplied with 5. All are clear with it? Thus, number of children getting marks more than 68 is equal to 0.5 into 500 is equal to 250 children. Raise your hand who did not understand the first sub question. Even second one is direct or reverse? Direct. Find percentage of children getting marks between 70 and 90. So we have to find P 70 less than X less than 90. Now, Ritu, yes. X1 equals to 70, X2 equals to 90. Further, Z1, X1 minus mu upon sigma. 70 minus 68 upon 22. What is that? 0.09. Yes, further Z2. X2 minus mu upon sigma. So 90 minus 68 upon 22. 1. Is everyone clear with this? X is converted into Z. Then Dhruv Patel, P 70 less than X less than 90 equals to less than Z. X is converted in Z. So P of 0.09 less than Z less than 1. Is everyone clear with this? Now, so if we make the diagram, remember in direct questions only one diagrams directly we get the correct one only. Now in this diagram decide which values where will I write. On right side of 0 both the values 0.09 as well as 1. Where do I do the shading? In between 0.09 and 1. Okay, shading will be done in between 0.09 and 1. Further, how will I get this? One side shading means sum or difference? Difference. Difference of which? Correct. Difference of 0 to 1 minus 0 to 0.09. So P0 less than Z less than 1 minus P0 less than Z less than 0.09. Yes, this side 0 to 1. 0 to 1 in the table, do you all get 1, 3, 4, 1, 3? Minus 0 to 0.09, 0359. 09 means first column, all of you see that 0.0 and then last value 09. Do you all find 0.0359? Okay, 0.3054. Is everyone clear with it? Now what is asked? Probability, percentage or number? Percentage. So you'll multiply with? Anyone who is not clear with this second direct question?